Hey cake people, welcome back to another video. Before we get into this one, don't forget to hit subscribe and obviously leave me a like and some comments. Thank you. So today we're making these lovely floral cupcakes. These are really simple to do and can be great for doing your Valentine's cakes or Mother's Day or little things like that. These were just a quick order for a regular client who left the design up to me. So we've got some buttercream here that I'm just beating the air out of in the bowl, and then I've added a little bit of whitener to it as well to take away the yellow tones. So we're going to take about a third of that and colour it. We're going to colour it with Sugar Flare Violet. We're not using too much of this because I want some nice pastel shades. So we're going to pop that in a separate bowl. And here we go, the Sugar Flare Violet. Obviously helps if I show you the label. Okay, using my new Archon stand, see how this goes. Hopefully the videos are a bit more clear because I can film from above now, rather than having to try and level my tripod in odd positions. You don't want to see what I have to do. Okay, so there we go, that's our lovely pastel purple. So we're just going to level this cupcake off by using our angled spatula. So we're applying a little bit to the cake and basically just bringing it up to the level of the case on the outside there, and it gives that a nice flush finish. And there's our tip, that's a tip Wilton 98. Okay, and we're always making sure that those the teeth are facing downwards towards the cake, like I show you there. Okay, angling it on a slight angle, about 45 degrees, and then we're going to apply pressure as we do it at the base, and then pull away. Pressure and pull away, pressure and pull away. We are not applying pressure when we come to that tip, only when we're on the base, and then that gives us that nice pointed effect. We're just going round, spinning the cupcake as we go. We're going to work our way into the centre. Always start on the outside because you can't overlap the petals properly if you do it from the inside. Okay, and we're going to work our way all the way to the centre until we get about a centimetre little circle in the centre, and then we're going to stop, and that's where we're going to put some sprinkles in, some dragies. I'm going to use some really tiny 1mm non-parallels by Happy Sprinkles. I will link some, either those or equivalent, in the comments for you so you can get the same. I don't know if Amazon do the Happy Sprinkles, but I will link as close as I can for you. These are a nice sort of yellow gold that I've got, so really pretty for putting in the middle of flowers. So there we go, just working our way to the centre, and there you can see, making it nice and even and making sure we keep that centre perfectly central. Okay, and then we're just going to use a spoon to pop those sprinkles into the centre. Here we go, there they are, Happy Sprinkles. This little tub lasts ages. This is only the small size, 90 grams I think. They last forever. So there we go, just popping them in, and another little bit. Make it nice and even and use a spoon to just spread them a little. And there we go, there you have it. So I'm going to do this once more for you because this one's probably the trickiest of the three. And I'm just sped it up a little bit for you, so I won't bore you with talking over all of that again for you. I won't talk you through it again, but here you go, you can see just working our way towards the centre, popping those sprinkles in again. There we go, looks really pretty with all of them together. So for this next one we're going to do a white buttercream, and this is some pink Sugar Flare, just normal pink, mixed up, and then we're going to use our brush. It's a fairly heavy brush, and swipe it about 3 or 4 times inside the piping bag there. Try and get a little bit on the tip as well so that you get it through straight away on the first time you use it. Otherwise it takes a minute to come through and you waste some buttercream. Okay, and then we're going to put our buttercream inside. There we go, the one that I took the yellow tones out of. And there you can see I've just done one in the bottom there, and this is a Tip Gem 2D. As at the top there, making nice sweeping swirls, nice and confident with this tip. That's the key, you've got to be really confident. Okay, nice starting from the centre, working our way out. And there we go, 2 pretties, and on to the final one. Now I used 2 different colours in this one. I did use a Rainbow Dust Sky Blue, a little bit of that, mixed it all in, and then I also used a Sugar Flare Bluebell because I wanted a really soft, subtle blue. There you go, there's the Bluebell. Okay, so mixing that all in, and then we will pop that into our piping bag. And here we go. So this one is a Tip Gem 1M. I think I've put it on the second one for you. But there you go, just piping around in a circle and then doing that centre, piping it up into almost a dome. And what I normally do, which I don't think I've filmed, I think I've cut it out, but I tap them on the surface once they're finished. And that just helps it all settle together and fill in any gaps around the edges as well. So there you go. I did use a coupler on this one. I don't really know why. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So there you go. I'm just squeezing the last bits of the buttercream out there. And there's a few little of those sprinkles. And there you have it. Really simple, but actually really, really effective. Don't forget to hit subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.